So while I was traveling over here in the cab, I thought of sharing this quick little video in which I'm sharing how you can build your own portfolio absolutely for free using this platform which is booming right now, Instagram, and how you can use Instagram platform and especially the story highlights to build your own portfolio absolutely for free and get clients for your work. So let's dive into that right after this intro. So as you can see right now on my screen, I have my live video, Gary V, fitness and audio. So I've divided this into 5 different segments over here on my profile or my Insta page, and that is how I'm categorizing this. So story highlights, how you can effectively use this. So if you are probably into something like marketing, fitness, travel industry, blogger, vlogging, whatever niche you are into or whatever kind of segment you are sharing your stories upon. So I'm sharing all my stories based upon marketing most of the times and what I'm doing behind the scenes in my life. So right now I'm traveling in cab right now. I'm on my way to interview one of the guys who is a JVZoo vendor and a product launcher and a great entrepreneur of all time, Saurabh Bhatnagar. And meanwhile, this might be on Instagram story, so I might share this short little clip on Instagram story. So that is what I do, and here is a few of my stories which you are able to see, like a small question on my next story, and then there is I'll mute the volume, and then this thing where I was interviewing last night. I was interviewing the founder of freeup.com, and it was behind the scenes which was going on, and then the full episode is going live on this Friday and things like that. Then good night, and once again it's Wednesday today, so early morning 1 minute
your first goal when you open up your
wisdom which I'm providing to people, and then be awesome today, and that's it, right? So that's how I roll in my stories. Now, how you can effectively use this? If you are just posting Instagram stories, it would just vanish after 24 hours. People won't be able to catch up. So if you want your stories, which are like very, very effective for your business, if you want your stories to be saved all the time, if you want to build, just treat these story highlights, treat them as your YouTube channel. If you treat them as a YouTube channel, or if you just treat that particular thing as your vlogging channel, it would be very much effective. Because now if I go into my life over here, people can go inside what was happening 1 week ago, what I had posted 1 week ago in my Instagram story, and then I have a fixed flow. So now this is the category, right? Just imagine this to be a YouTube playlist where you have a separate category of playlist. So this is like my life, what I was doing for the complete past 1 week, and people can just go through it. So there is like infinite number of stories. Similarly, if people are surprised to see how with respect to video content, everything is over here, all my vlog episodes, things like that. So people can watch right over here in front of this using story highlights. Then people can go into Gary
which isn't health and wellness, which is
important parts of Gary Vaynerchuk, like wallpaper
for the last 7
things like that. I'm sharing it on my stories as well. So if people want to find that, people just go through it. So this is Gary Vaynerchuk. Then earlier I used to post fitness videos on my marketing channel, but now I've segregated that on my different channels. So what happened was, one of the times, like a few days ago, somebody just asked me this question: "Hi Pratik, have you stopped posting fitness content?" So to that I answered, tap to view the answer, and then I have this is my fitness page where I'm documenting my fitness journey step by step. Like whenever I get time, so I just document my fitness journey as well, and for that I have a separate page so people can just go through that. So now onwards, when people are coming to my marketing profile over here and coming to this and clicking on fitness, I don't have to promote my other page. People already know that. People are into a flow, a fixed flow, by just going into my Instagram story highlights, right? And then I have this audio. So whatever I have my podcast upon,
and you
if
have
I
to pay
have
your
any
college
content,
debt,
I'm
and
transcribing
you have to
that.
pay for
Then here it is.
easy money event.
Here it is. So it's all about audio. So I've divided that into 5 different segments. Now, why just 5? Because whenever somebody is watching your Instagram page or your profile, they are able to see 5. And then if there are more, they'll have to scroll. They have to swipe like this. So earlier I used to have like 25-30 swipes, all right? But then I thought, let me make it simpler and let me categorize it and let me plan it out in just 5 categories. And that's what I have done. It's all about like my life, video, Gary V, fitness and audio. That's it, plain and simple. And I have just changed my bio as well. In my bio, I'm just relating my bio with the story highlights, and I'm building a portfolio. So now onwards, whenever people want to just approach me with respect to video content, I can just showcase my story highlights, that this is how I am building my Instagram stories. This is how effective it is. Normally, people do selfies. Normally, people just do timestamps. Normally, people just do good night, good morning. I do a little bit more. I just enhance them with my softwares, tools, applications, and things like that. So, here is how you can build a portfolio using story highlights. Instagram as a platform which is completely free. You don't have to invest any money, guys. So you don't have excuse now. Whatever work you have, whatever portfolio you have, you can just build effectively over here. If you have missed out on the previous one, do check out this video, latest video from DigiPerform's YouTube channel. Do check out over there. And if you haven't subscribed to these channels, tap on the individual logos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and I look forward to see you in the next ones. And yes, this is how I record. It's all natural.